All right, guys, welcome, and then sit back and enjoy. We're going to work on our Jeep TJ. You can see here we're going to work on the hood. Now this hood, all right, has some interesting things going on. One, that's original paint from hole one. But the big thing is when you're driving in the sun, you get glare from this. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a matte black wrap on here. What was cool is we found a green that matches this one that's matte also. So we're going to put that over it. So we're going to make it like a two-tone look. So stand back. Watch how we prep it out. We're going to get some knife tape. We're going to work this thing, and you'll see how you can do this yourself in your garage. You can do it, I guarantee it. All right, first thing we're going to do is open the hood. Got to get the stuff off. Some of this stuff ain't easy, all right? Some of it is. This, you really got to be careful to push this rubber in and get it started. Get these out. You don't want to break them. Okay, those are out. Got to get them window washers off. Well, them come out easy. These come out easy. Oh, maybe they come out easy. They come out easy. All right. Put these in a safe place. Don't want to lose those. One more thing to take off. Put the nuts back on there and you won't lose them. Latch this back. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to use a clay bar, all right? Now I've got to use a clay bar here. You can use these more than once. You can see how the clay looks pretty clean, all right? The other thing you got to do with clay is you got to have some kind of lubricant. I got soapy water. You can use a detailer. A lot of things you can use. You can actually feel this loosen up as you go. You're done with your clay, put it back in a clean bag. If it drops to the floor, it's garbage. Nice micro clean towel. Wipe this sucker down. Get all this off. Hey guys, we're back in the garage. Okay, we just ate dinner. Wife called us in. We took care of that. Now we're going to work on wiping this down. Get some alcohol. First thing we're going to do is the edges. So we got to do underneath this edge in the front. We got to do up in this edge here. Got our alcohol. Okay, that should have all our grease, wax, all that stuff off. So next thing we got to do is do some layout work. I'm going to use some masking tape. Don't want to use your fine line, cut line tape right away. You want to lay it out. Alright, so had a little break there in the film, not sure why. So that's got a nice contour to that one. We'll see where that comes out. Kind of comes right down to the center of the headlight. All right, we're back. So we start this here again, on to here. Not sure if that's in the right spot. We're going to figure that out. Nothing flat here, guys. So what you do, a couple measurements. 9 1/4. 9 3/8. All right, so let's see. We've got do it from this corner to there, 5. This corner to there, 5. Skosh. So she's pretty close. Looks like we've kind of tapered this in, but we didn't over here. So what we're going to do is pull this up. Too much. So our next step, we're going to open the hood, we're going to kind of reset the tape, then we're going to start working with our fine line tape, the knife tape. Alright, so that's a problem. We got to learn about this. Here we go. Cut that tape there. Put that tape there. Meaning we can't do the front edge till we finish the back edge. Why is that important? That's because when we put the knife tape on, we got to come all the way around this edge and underneath. So to do that, what we're going to do is we just have to start the knife tape here and run it back this way. Start it, run it back, let it loose, pick it over, put it down. We have to do that on both sides. Then we're going to be able to do this, all right? And this part here we'll be able to cut with our knife later. So, and then wrap it under. So that'll be good. So you start the knife tape up front. Once again, don't know why it comes in a sealed bag, but it does, so we kept it that way. What we do is lift the hood, drop the hood on this side, take the fine line tape, start it under here. Remember, you want to have a good couple inches underneath here. Go around this way. Just put that right there. Go with that. Whoop. Started to move on its own. Now, I'm going to take this, put it right against this, leaving kind of the same reveal all the way along. Now is where we get into trouble, because there it is, it's on there good, but again, you want to make sure you got some inches here. So we're going to cut it off. So we cut it off. Now we're going to leave that just like that while we do the other side here. You see when you push this down, the green kind of disappears. It kind of becomes warm. Of course, it's not a green vehicle, so that don't. Alright, now we've got to cut around these spots here. So again, we've got to give ourselves plenty of runoff room. All right. Got to have your vinyl stick on both sides, so you got to pull the blue tape off. We'll get the vinyl out here. We'll pull the fine line tape like here. We'll open the hood. We'll make good. So we're going to get close now. We're going to wipe it down again. All right. All right, got both sides like that. We got our knife. Very carefully start in the middle of this gap and kind of and get the other side now. Okay, now you can officially open the hood and finish the front. Now we're going to get this piece out on this side. Again, same sort of deal. See how it just comes right out of there. And down around the corner. And then we're going to do this. All right, we now got a matte black hood that won't hit you in the sun. Look at that, ain't that nice? We can, wide angle it. You can see what that looks like up close. Look what it looks like far away. All right, guys, next we're going to add another color, so let's check that out. Okay guys, hey, like and subscribe if you enjoyed that. You can see what we did there. Ain't that a dandy? Woo, look at that. Alright, so you can see what we did. We got lots of stuff we did to this. You can see what we got there. Look at how good. We got some nice fine lines there. Looks good. You can see what... Hey guys, you can see what we did. Hey, like and subscribe if you enjoyed this, alright? I'm going to add another color. That'll be another video. So... like and subscribe to this one, and you'll turn your post notifications on and you'll see the other video. Until then, this is a project you should be doing.